What is it?
Looks like an Oldsmobile, doesn't it?
Yeah, I'm out here at this car show, and it is a pretty impressive car. I don't even know what kind it is. And this lady says it might be an Oldsmobile. Victoria. Maybe that was his girlfriend's name.
Maybe.
Anyway.
Could be the owner.
Anyway, I'm here at this car show, and they have all kinds of fancy cars here. I don't know much about them other than they are fancy. And this is reminds me of the car. I think we had a 1941 when I was 6 or 8 years old.
You've been walking around all day. It's a great day too. And thanks a lot for everybody coming out. Thank you for donating. Thanks for all the sponsors. Thanks for everybody helping out with the car club stuff. And
GoPro, start recording.
090.
Okay, I'm looking at this car in front of me here. I don't know
090-154.
what this guy has done to it, but it is pretty fancy.
090-105. Once again, 090-131.
This is just one of a large number of cars that are in this show.
171.
This car club puts these fancy cars out here.
And you can check your numbers up here on the board.
A lot of owners bring their car out. It's called a Smokin 188, whatever that means. I don't know. Nice Corvette. Undertaker. I don't know if that's his name. Nice little car, or whatever it is. I'm just going to walk up and down the aisles here.
Okay,
And
everybody, we're going to be doing trophies, so if you could please come up front here, and we'll be handing out the door prizes to it. So if you could please come up front for a trophies announcement. There's 32 of them, so I think we'll have a pretty good. See if we can get a color to match your car. 1, 2, 3, 4 different colors.
a lot of cars here. Then on this side of the road, what does it say? Harry Turner Midget. I don't know if they still do those midget car races or not. This car.
All right, so just 1 second.
Your truck isn't painted very well.
No, it's a rat rod. Not supposed to be.
Oh.
It's supposed to have that kind of look to it. You know?
It's a what?
It's called a rat rod.
A rat rod.
Yeah, yeah. It's supposed to have that kind of old look, and then engine's nice and shiny, and
Are you the owner?
well, I'm the owner of the wife, or the wife of the owner. I mean, sorry.
Anyway.
Yeah, he's pretty part. He's heading up to the.
Oh, to get his trophy.
See if he gets one this time. Yeah, it's supposed to actually look like this. Yeah.
A rat rod. And I just heard on the announcement they're giving away trophies for whatever. And this one looks like it must be another rat rod. And then over on this side, there's a bunch of other fancy cars. Little Jeep. (1970) Ford. Nice and clean, that's for sure. These people do take care of their vehicles. GTO. Fancy car.
Thanks everybody once again for coming out. Turned out to be an awesome day.
I ever had.
Really appreciate everybody.
Was a
Yeah, we appreciate
1967 Chrysler Imperial,
give it up for all the
and I had it for a couple years, but then I got married and I needed the money, so I sold it. I think this is a club. What do they call it? Smokin 188 Club. As with a large number of things, whether it be antique tractors, antique cars. Well, these are old, classic cars, probably. I
want to thank Jason Lightbus too for this sign, this awesome sign they did, and
this is 1934 Chevy Standard engine.
I was joking with the guy. I said, "You need a motor." And you know what he said to me? "It's solar powered." Yeah, that's pretty cool though.
Yeah, this is a guy who lives out west of Sauk City. So should I put you in my video?
Huh?
Should I put you in my video?
I don't need it.
You're in it right now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I'm driving the old bus over there.
The bus.
Volkswagen microbus.
Oh, that's pretty fancy.
It's a 67.
Yeah.
I've had it 38 years.
Okay.
and originally came from Texas. There's no cancer on it.
Oh, wow.
I garage it meticulously. That's when they came with a tent, not the pop top.
Okay.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Shazam.
Been my wife for 38 years. Good talking to you.
Hey, do you go to these shows a lot?
This is the first car show I've done all year.
Okay. And what's the Smokin 188?
That's just what they call it. It's the car club from Sauk Prairie.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm wondering if it started out on Highway 188. Maybe. I don't know.
I don't know. I'm from Madison, so
Okay.
I only get up here occasionally.
Okay.
I like to go to Delaney's.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And you go over to see Lady Evermore over there?
Oh yes,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Yeah,
That's quite the remarkable spot.
I know, it is.
It really is.
Yeah.
You know, I've been looking at that stuff for 30 years.
So what do you do?
Never get tired of looking at it.
What do you do for real life?
I'm retired.
From what?
I used to be a painter.
Oh, okay.
I'm 74 now, so
Well,
time flies even when you're not having fun. Vietnam vet, did that in 68, 69.
I'm 83.
You're 83. You're my sister's age.
She's an old lady, isn't she?
She lives in Houston.
Oh, wow.
No for nothing.
Well, anyway.
What are you driving?
I'm driving a Ford Escape over on the sidelines over there.
Oh, okay. All right.
I can't afford these things.
Well, they're going to be handing out trophies right short.
Are you going to get one?
He took my my credentials off the windshield and he said you're in the running for one, so
Okay,
we'll see.
and I heard him say there's 32 prizes.
Yeah, there's quite a stack
Yeah.
over there.
So I'm going to walk down this aisle here.
Hey Tim, you up here? We're gonna do trophies.
And I don't
The
know.
first trophy is going to 1977 Ford F100.
I don't know if you can hear that. 1977 Ford, I think it's F100.
Potter. The slot beef chop. Congratulations.
It sure is a nice day for this. Putting this on,
Thanks for
weather's
coming
great.
in, too.
Fancy cars
That
here.
trophy's going to Ivan, owner of the 1993 Cadillac Fleetwood.
This is probably one of the fancier cars here.
We'll set it aside here. Next trophy's going to Jim Les with the midget race car. And everybody who gets a trophy, if you guys could stick around, we'll get a big picture of everybody with their trophies up front here. And I appreciate that. Cool. Congratulations, Jim.
1966 Chevy Chevelle.
Oh, he left. Oh, wait. This one's for Ryan Acola for that International KV8 1948 tow truck.
From Mazamini, it looks like.
That's a cool truck.
Anyway, this is kind of an experiment of mine as well, just going
The
around
next trophy goes to Lee Hillestad
and taking
for the 1975 Nova SS.
continue video of the cars here and the guys get a trophy for some reason.
Three here. Coming. He's way over there. Oh, cool. The next trophy is going to Roger Taylor for his 1938 Dodge. It's you. Congratulations.
1939 Plymouth, $14,000.
Next trophy is going to Tom LeBanksy for his 1934 Coupe.
So this does look similar to the 41 car that
Congratulations.
I had before. Anyway, it's quite a show here with all these cars and
Next trophy is going to Randy and Kim Richards for the 1973 Pontiac Ventura. Congratulations.
I did own a car similar to this one in front of me, except I think it was a 1962 blue Volkswagen. It did not have, I mean, it was not a convertible like this, but I think I paid $1,831 for it, brand new. That's the only brand new car I ever owned.
So we just had a CUDA pull in, yellow CUDA with a black stripe. If you could please come down to the booth down here and talk to Tim. You can hear it.
They're making a lot of noise.
Okay. And next trophy going to Gordon Richardson with 1970 Chevelle.
So like I said, this is just apparently an annual car show. The owners of the cars in this club bring them out. I think somebody said once a year. So
The next trophy is going to
I hope this video turns out.
the
I'm-
Ford F1 pickup.
I know a lot of people like seeing these various things, but anyway, I think I'm gonna
Congratulations.
talk to this guy up here. So you won a trophy?
Yeah.
Wow. You want to be in my video? Your car is already.
Oh.
But you want to be in it? I make YouTube videos.
Oh. What name do you go under?
Real Tom Sawyer.
Real Tom Sawyer. Well, I haven't seen that.
I'm just learning how to do this.
Oh, cool.
I'm 83 years old, so
I'll be 80 in 2 more weeks.
Oh, you're a youngster.
Yeah, I guess. I have days that don't feel like it.
Every day?
Yeah, they're all good days if you know.
Anyway, I'm gonna ask this guy a few questions about the trophy he just won. What was it for?
I don't know. I think the club members just this 2024 Smokin 188 car show.
Okay.
And it's sponsored by O'Reilly Auto Parts.
Okay.
Apparently their club members go around and
I live here in the area. I never see you drive this around.
Last time I had it down here, I was at a McFarland show on the other side of the.
Okay.
I've had this car almost 40 years now, and it's got 222,000 miles on it.
Okay.
So
So what's the brand?
it's a 1930 Model A.
Okay.
And the engine is a 62 Chevrolet 327.
62 Chevrolet 327.
Car was built in 1968.
Is it for sale?
No. My wife, I had a couple of them, and my wife let me sell everything, but not this one. So I did sell it once, and I was lucky to get it bought back within a year. The guy sold it back to me. So the car's it's been on a trailer once, and that was because we took it to an indoor car show in Milwaukee.
Okay.
World of Wheels. But car's never had a breakdown in 38 years.
Do you go to a lot of shows?
Not as many as I used to, but I used to go to up to about 20 a year.
Oh wow.
So.
And where do you live then?
Just Reedsburg.
Okay.
It's just a short ways away.
Yeah.
I keep most of my shows now are within 100 miles because of my back. It isn't the most comfortable car to ride in, but they always say it. My theory is it's uncomfortable as hell to look cool. How's that sound?
Yeah.
I guess that's the way I feel about it. It's just a fun car.
Oh, sure. I see somebody has a car over in that area for sale. That's the only one I've seen where there's a price on it, and that was $14,000.
I have no idea. This car, a lot of people come up to me and want to take pictures and what have you, because they want to build something that looks nostalgic, and this one is nostalgic.
Yeah.
It was built in 1968.
Yeah. Wow.
It's got an alternator on it, which is modern, and I put disc brakes on it. 30 years ago, I took everything apart and put everything back the way it was built originally with new old stock parts.
So you must have been a mechanic in your early days.
Putzer.
And you're still.
I'm still a putzer.
Okay.
I'll putz till the last day.
Okay, I'm just ending up this video here because, these guys, they got these cars, they're fancy, and but they don't have any giant pumpkins or no snake boards, so what's the deal? Anyway, I'll have to try to get this up on YouTube today, and hopefully in the next couple days I'll have another video. Next Saturday will be the major video of the giant pumpkins at Nakusa, so I hope to get there as well. Anyway, bye for now. I'm almost at 400 subscribers, so if you're inclined to subscribe, now's the time.